Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. This week's recipe is to celebrate National Slider Day on May 15th. This is the 7th annual celebration of the slider. The term slider originated with White Castle, the first fast food hamburger chain that was founded in 1921. Our cookbook highlight is Seriously Simple Parties by Diane Rossen Worthington. Today we will be making meatball sliders. For your ingredients, you will need olive oil, leeks, carrots, garlic cloves, eggs, Dijon mustard, chili sauce, parsley, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs or panko, seasoning salt, black pepper, ground veal, ground beef, ground pork, marinara sauce, basil, thyme, balsamic vinegar, and mini buns or slider rolls. Step 1. Heat the oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Add in the leeks and saute for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until soft and translucent. Step 2. Saute the carrots for 1 minute, add the garlic, and saute for 1 minute more. Then transfer to a large bowl to cool. Step 3. Add the eggs, Dijon mustard, chili sauce, parsley, Parmesan, breadcrumbs, sea salt, and pepper to the cooled cooked vegetables. Blend well using a large spoon or even your hands. Step 4. Now add in the veal, beef, and pork and mix to blend all the ingredients. Step 5. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your baking sheet with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. With your hands, gently roll the mixture into meatballs about 1.5 inches in diameter. Step 6. Bake for about 35 minutes or until cooked through and no longer pink. Repeat in batches as necessary. Step 7. While meatballs bake, heat the marinara sauce in a large Dutch oven. Add in the basil, thyme, and vinegar. Mix well. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to medium, and cook for 5 minutes. Step 8. Carefully remove the meatballs from the oven and add them to the Dutch oven in the marinara. Gently toss to coat and let them warm up for about 15 minutes. Step 9. Horizontally slice your rolls and open. Place a meatball on the bottom of the slider, sprinkle with some grated Parmesan or mozzarella, and secure the top bun with a toothpick through. All that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPO Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.